Hi guys, so we have updated the Traders Companion Console. It's now on version 2.84, and depending on which versions you have used in the past, just want to give you an update as to what we have done. There's still some bugs, unfortunately. I'm still working through them, but it is completely functional. So what you see is we have buys, we have sell buttons. So this allows you to select whether we want to go buys or sells. So the whole idea of this compounding console is, whatever you decide, you still need to have that discretion, decide if you want to go long or short. So for example, in gold, I have gone long around this region, and it's basically compounding into these trades. And I've now stopped it because the account isn't big. You can see it's $150. It's a live account on PlexiTrade, and I don't want to be in a position where it gets down to around here and I'm margin called. So I've stopped it trading for now, and I will resume if we get the price back up here. And you can see gold is very volatile. You see the profits and losses change quite rapidly, especially if you're in quite a few positions, especially for this size of account. So look, I'm now down to negative. But looking at the buttons, we have buy mode, sell mode. We can close all the trades. So if I click on this, it will close down all these trades. I can close all trades also that are in profit, or close all trades that are in loss. I can also click on, this is the pause and resume button for compounding. Right now you see pause, this means that the compounding has stopped, which means we're not going to buy or sell any more trades until I click this button. Break even allows me to set the appropriate stop or take profit for the whole range of these trades so that we get out at break even. And we also have a stop and take profit sync. So I can adjust, for example, any of the stop losses. I'll show you better in the 5-minute time frame. So I've got a hard stop here, a hard take profit here, and I've set these by dragging these lines out. And once I've done that, I can ensure that I do a sync. So, for example, this one didn't catch. This is one of the bugs. If I click on the sync, it will synchronize all the stops and all the take profits. So for every single one of these, the stop and the take profit above are exactly the same. And I can click on this as well, remove, it'll take out all of those. And then, for example, if I go back to here, I want to set stop here, and I want the take profit to be up here. Obviously, that will only set it for one trade. Doesn't matter which one, but if you then hit the sync, it will synchronize all of those and should do all of those. And sometimes if it doesn't, you just hit it again. It should do that. There you are. So all those trades now have the same stop loss and take profit. I've got a little checkbox here that actually should be up here. This is the auto sync stop loss and take profit. What happens is when you're compounding, new trades will appear at the bottom, and if you click this button or make sure this checkbox is checked, and I will get this moved into the right place for a new version. What this will do is it will just ensure that the stop losses and take profits from all the others are synced to your new trades, so you can keep that on. There are quite a lot of functions to this. I've added quite a lot of features as well. If you go to the options, wrong one, if you go to the options, you'll see there are a whole bunch of options, and I would recommend that you run through these in demos just so that you acquaint yourself to understand how this works. You can obviously close trades based on a number of pips profit, closing pips profit, closing the amount, as in the monetary amount, or you can just close the trades manually. So I've clicked on manual. But if you've got pips and profit, so number of pips, if you're X number of pips, so 10 pips in profit, you can close all the trades. Number of pips in loss, close the trades. Amount, this is the monetary value. So if you made, say, $100, you can close everything down, or lose $100, you can close everything down. And once the stops are hit, you can choose whether you continue trading or you pause it. So I've chosen pause. I like to have a bit more control. The whole bunch of other settings in here. For example, every time we get a new candle, I mean the 1 minute time frame, you can choose whatever time frame you want. It will see if it's time to compound, and it will compound if it's seeing a buy. So if you look at here, the previous candles, every time there's a positive candle, we get another 3 trades, and at 0.01 lot size, and it'll do that until we get 100 trades. Right now I've got 48 trades up here. Magic number, you can also choose the timings for trading and what to do after you reach a certain time. Also days to start trading. I've left everything on so I can trade, so I've got complete manual control, but if you want to make it semi-automatic, you can make these true or false, or for which days you want to trade and which days you don't want to trade. And there's a whole bunch of other filters, entry filters and exit filters as well to play with. So the alert settings here as well. There's also some scaling options here for the display. You'll see that when you put this on a new chart, it may not look good. You just need to tweak these to make sure that they look right, and obviously some customizations in terms of how this looks. For those of you who have used this already, you just know that there's some incremental updates to this, and keep letting me know what could be added to make this better. Like I said, the only bug I know of this so far is this one needs to move up here. Okay, so just to let you know, you can take this checkbox off and on. So that is actually for here. I'll get that moved up, but it is completely functional. So when you start this, it will start on a pause mode. It won't automatically start trading, which you did before, just as an added protection. But I'll provide all the instructions, all the manuals so you have a read, but the best way to learn how to use this is through testing it on a demo, just so that you are comfortable in using this. I mean, it is a tool, it is semi-automatic. It isn't something which you can set and forget. You do need to be able to determine whether the trades are going to go up or down. So as you see here, I thought it would be going up, and it did for a bit, and now it's gone back down. Ultimate stop loss here is this here for me, and I'm looking for a much higher gain. So if it goes well, you can really compound and grow these accounts massively using this, but you can also lose big as well. So that's a quick update on the Traders Compounding Console. You get this if you are a premium Patreon member, and I'll also make it available if you don't want the commitment. So that's for today's video. I hope you have a good day.